Sisira ba?
Mabilis lang naman ito.
Oo. Hindi, nakain. Diretso lang. Diretso
Yung box lang.
Diretso lang. Diretso. Paalis mo yung box.
Ay, sorry.
Yung box, hawakan mo yung box.
Hawakan mo yung
Ito,
box,
Irene,
bababa.
hawakan mo yung box.
Allah. Ano yun?
Hi, everyone. Maraming salamat dito sa aking bagong KitchenAid. Okay. Looks more or less the same, no? Tapos, they have the same accessories. Iba lang ito. In terms of shape, no? This one, coated nga lang siyang puti. The same nito. And also this one for whipping cream. Yan. And in additional is the freebies. Yan, yung dalawang yan. Thank you. So, this one, trinay ko kanina with the bowl. Ay, yung bowl pala. They fit. So, magiging additional yung aking accessories na to. And the bowl, pwede mo siyang pagpalitin. Okay na. So, hindi ko na kailangan mag-antay ng huhugasan pa muna. Yung isa before another one. So, quite helpful. Very much. Thank you.